and welcome back to my parents' kitchen. Today we're making a really thick breakfast full of calories, goodness, and with that being said, we're making a frittata. Let's go. Ingredients, here they are. Prosciutto, cheese, garlic, shallots, eggs, 8 mushrooms, 200 grams, and of course some greenness, some parsley. And to cook a frittata, we'll need oil, vegetable oil, about 25-50 milliliters. These are my ingredients, but it's up to you. If you want to add broccoli, tomatoes, peppers, you can really customize it to your liking. And now, first step, our prep. Our cheese, let's grate it. I'm using Swiss cheese, about 150 grams, but if you want to use a different type of cheese, go for it. Alright, this should be enough. And now our meaty boys. Prosciutto. I had 300 grams, but me and my cameraman were a bit hungry before this video, so we only have 250 grams. Let's stack our prosciutto. Start with half, roll it up, and chop it up. And cut in two. Our prosciutto we'll reserve. We'll do these ones a bit differently. We'll roll them all up. And now we'll slice them like the last one. And with the power of editing, I'll see you when it's all done. One last one, and done. All of our prosciutto is ready for after. Now, shallots, 3. Cut in 2, and slice and dice. One last one, spin it back around, we sliced, and now of course we dice. Bring all of our bad boys inside the bowl. Moving on to our fungus, our mushrooms. On the table, and slice and dice. We want them all to be around the same size. Of course, I cleaned my mushrooms before this video. One last one, and back inside where they came from. And now 4 cloves of garlic on the table, smash them, and grossly chop. As always, 3 fingers on top, and the 2 other ones on the side to keep them nice and safe. Alright, our garlic is decimated to my liking as always. Grab a plate back and reserved for later. And now to make our recipe really healthy, we'll add some parsley. With this much parsley, this recipe turns very, very healthy. Grab them all together, slice and dice, rotate, and go. One last pass around, and I need a bowl. Perfect. I'm gonna go clean my table, my knives, and everything's ready. Preppy prep. Our prep is done. Now it's time for the fun part. As always, we're gonna cook up our frittata. So heat on high, and in our pan we'll add a good shot of oil. Oil in the pan, and wait for it to heat up to 150 degrees Celsius. For the Fahrenheit, they're right here. Our pan is toasty warm, 140 degrees Celsius, about 150. Now we can add in all of our shallots. Shallots inside, smack the bowl, and incorporate in with the oil. After 1 or 2 minutes, our shallots are nicely translucent. Now it's time for our garlic. Garlic inside, incorporate all in, and just wait. We waited patiently, now mushrooms inside, and like with the shallots, wait for them to drop. It may seem like a lot, but they're really gonna reduce. Spin it around, shake and bake. Do a tourne both ways, forward and backwards. Equalize. And now our meaty boys, prosciutto inside. We started off with 300 grams, we ate some, we have 250, and now, sadly, there's 225. My cameraman and I have been eating them throughout the recipe. Turn the heat down to medium-low, let it all reduce slowly for about 4 to 5 minutes, and move on to making our eggs. Moving on to our eggs. I have 8 eggs, maybe we'll need more, we'll see. Grab them, crush, open them. 1 more, there we go. We'll pulsate. Our eggs are mixed, and now let's go back on the stove. At this stage, everything is slowly coming together really well. We will add in some pepper. No salt, the prosciutto is already pretty salty. Stir it all in, incorporate it well. In our eggs, we'll add in our cheese. With a fork, mix it all together. Fork can go away. Pour it all on top. Bring it all together. Turn heat down to medium. At this stage, turn the heat of your oven onto broil. The rest of the cheese can go on top. And parsley. We'll stir to incorporate, and we want to cook our eggs through right now. You can add milk, you can add cream. Personally, I like it like this. Grab all the sides, put it all inside. It's starting to get cooked just a bit. At this point, we can put it in our oven. Our oven is on grill and inside. And now just wait 10 to 20 seconds. It should be done. Watch out, it's extremely hot. And just like that, our frittata is done. A little bit crispier here than here, I'm not quite sure why. My pan cooled down just a bit. As you can see, it's nice and crispy on top. Check inside, see if it's cooked. Comes out clean, absolutely perfect. There we have it, our homemade frittata is done. What a way to start a day. Thank you guys all so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya, bye.